Now, birds have always been dominant in our society, but why? If we go back in time, the Egyptians worshipped birds. and they said, it's over, Birdikin, you have the high ground.
No, I had the iron, not you had the high.
So, why are birds dominant? Why exactly? Well, I'm about to tell you.
They have these blue lightsabers.
They have blue lightsabers.
And they go up to the high ground. And then
Here
they
is
kill
an
Anakin.
here's an interview that explains why. So, how does it feel, David?
I'm depressed.
Okay. David says that he saw a bird on top of his roof, and he wasn't sure if the bird was high or if David was high. And then the bird went boom boom dominance. So birds
make good.
birds are dominant.
Oh.
Now, as you can see, birds are really the top dogs of society. But we are sick of this. We humans are sick. And we want to gain dominance again. So, with that being said, let's go harass some birds. Bye bye. Now, if I know one thing, it's that cheezels are the best bird bait. Isn't that right, David?
Yes. I'm David. David, no.
Now, as you can see, David is playing a Subway Surfers. And birds do not like Subway Surfers.
He's gonna do the whole thing over here saying that.
Ah! Come to me, you pesky little... We are getting closer, my friends. Apple is also a good bird bait. Let me swap hands, because I am better with my right hand. Alrighty then. I think we have attracted a bird. Show yourself. Hello. Can I harass you?
Can we harass you?
Can we?
Harass the bird.
No, don't.
Can we harass you? Yes.
My foot.
Can we harass you? Get that bird. Oh.
Look at that.
Hello.
The dominance on us.
Can I harass you? All right. All right. Come on.
I'm about to harass some birds.
All right.
We're gonna harass these birds, eh?
Yeah.
Honestly, like,
Am I allowed
doing
to?
that-
Am I?
Doing that portrait thing makes you look like a TikToker.
Yeah, it kind of does. Look, here's the high ground.
Oh, that's a bomb. It's gonna. Nah, you're not allowed to be over there.
Oh, I'm not meant to be filming him.
Renegade. Renegade. Get him. Attack. It's not that hard. Kill him. Kill you. It's over, Birdikin.
It's over, Birdikin.
I have the high ground.
Oh, look.
yo.
Look at him.
Hey, drop your phone, you want? Hey, mate.
Hi.
Probably do want to do it. Like, there's crap all over my head, aren't you?
Can I film you or no?
Yeah, you can film it. I don't give a frickin'.
Okay. Went all the way down there.
Birdikin.
I kinda want to jump over this, but I don't want to break my phone.
I am going to end my suffering.
I'm going to end my pain and suffering, and give all my pain and suffering to the birds. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Nadia got a smelly hole. Oh, nah. I'm the bird terminator, I'm the birdinator. Are you alright?
That was
I'm-
right.
Try hard. Oh, let's sit on this. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, did you hear that? Birds.
Birds!
Birds.
Wait.
It's harassment time. I don't know if you can see them, guys,
I'll
but
harass them with
I
Power
sure
Rangers.
can.
I'll harass them with
Fight fire with fire.
Give me a second, just gonna harass them with freaking Power Rangers motorcycle.
Oh yeah, Power Rangers. Power Rangers motorcycle. Oh, now he's got the high ground again.
Bye bye Power Rangers motorcycle. You won't be missed. Oh shoot. Look, it can do that.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
that's for the
Oh,
that's for the big robot thingy.
oh, okay.
That's all.
And then you shove the guy in there, right?
Yeah.
All right. I think that was harassing birds. Like for part
2,600.
2,600 and like we can make a lot of parts in the 500s, but like maybe that's your decision. So smash like.
What the hell?
Spaghetti man.
Just stand out
This
here.
is spaghetti. So subscribe for spaghetti, cause yum.
Hey, that's good.